This is not it. That's orange juice. I'm looking for gold. This is not it. That's a mouse. I'm looking for gold. Wait a minute. It kind of looks like gold, but no, this is a battery charger for my phone. That's not it. Get rid of enough that's not it's, and you will start to clearly see what will happen is that not that you will have found it, it was already there. You uncovered what was blocking. You removed what was blocking. It's a whole age-old story of the Holy Grail. The truth is with you now. You have proper trading inside of you now. It's blocked by your thinking. Your thoughts are your worst enemy. Your thoughts betray you. Throughout your trades, there is nothing but constant chatter bothering you, affecting you, moving you, making you doubt every moment, every second of your trade. This chatterbox right here. Yeah, but what about this? Did you look at that? Do you remember the last time you did this? You got clobbered. Are you going to do that again? Maybe you should do this. Look over here. But wait, before you press the buy button, look at the resistance over here. Look at the other time frame. This is your worst enemy, your mind, your thoughts, your analysis. You can't analyze. A novice can't analyze. If you have not been brought to the level of proficiency, your analysis doesn't work. Your analysis betrays you. Your thoughts betray you. You can't go by your feelings. Do you know your feelings are upside down? You fear in profitable territory and you hope in negative territory. Your stock, you buy a stock, it goes negative and you hope the situation improves. You hope you get your money back. You hope the stock comes back to your break-even point. You hope in negative territory. And when you get a profit, you start becoming agonized. You start becoming fearful, nervous, agitated. You don't know what to do. You've got a gain, but will it disappear? Oh my God. You fear in positive territory. And those feelings are upside down. Those feelings are backwards. You are wired totally incorrectly as a trader. When you start this, you're wired upside down. This is why you have to go through a change. You have to go through a metamorphosis. Your DNA has to be restructured. You have to become a different person. You have to almost become inhuman because you've got to fear in negative territory and hope in positive territory. Your problem is that you will not get out of the way when you have a profit and let your profit work for you. Let your profit go overtime for you. Let your profit deliver you not just a small gain, but a big gain. No, your fear causes you to meddle with your gains, to cut your roses off the moment they try to show you beauty. But when you are in negative territory, you give the negative territory the ample room. You give your negative trade the benefit of the doubt. You start hoping, you start praying, you start wishing, you start being the way you're supposed to be when you're in positive territory. And this is your problem. You've got the game upside down. How can you lose 80 to 85% of your trades if everything is not upside down? I mean, it's impossible to be 100% because the mathematical laws won't allow us to be 100%. So the little 15% of the time it works, you think you've arrived, but it's just math. It's just like you can't flip a coin and get tails every single time. You flip a coin 100 times and you get 100 tails, trust me, that's not a real coin. That's a fake coin. But you flip a real coin, it's impossible to get 100 of one side. You take trades, it's impossible to lose 100 times out of 100 trades, but you'll lose 80, 85 times out of 100. The other 15 to 20% of the time that you win is not you. It's math, the coin flip. Outlast everything that's holding you back. Understand that it's not the method, it's not the tactics, it's not the technique, it's not the market, it's you. Let's start focusing on you. You becoming more disciplined, you keeping your word when you make a promise to yourself. Let's focus on you, okay? You learn through negation, which means that you are going to be a loser first. Understand this. Some people need that losing period to be longer than others. It is an individual game. You come to the game different than I come to the game. I had demons that are different from your demons. I had psychological hangups that are different from your psychological hangups. Maybe you're more disciplined than I am naturally. We are all different. It is your journey. Nobody presses the buy button. Nobody presses the sell button for you. It's you. Okay? So, you learn through negation. Start the discovery process today. Start finding out not what works. That's the stupid way. You can't find what works first. You must find what doesn't work first. We learn through negation. The truth is revealed by first discovering what is not the truth, what is clearly not proper trading, what is clearly not the right thing to do. Start eliminating that shit from your life. And then what will be left when you eliminate everything that is clearly not right? What will be left? What's going to be left? What's right? That's how you find proper trading. That's how you find proper action, by first discovering what is not proper action and making sure you don't do it.